I killed the one and there was another one right behind him.
Another one.
Others.
Bruh. Bro, how come you get bots, bro? I'm always getting these tryhards. Like, that shit.
Fuck out of here.
Bruh.
Nigga, you ass, bro.
Really?
Alright, come back season, baby.
Come on,
Alright, man,
back.
go for it, bro. We need
What?
you, soldier. Do that shit, bro. Pick us up, bro. Carry us. Bro, these people, bro.
Oh!
What?
Where?
In your underwear. I'm just kidding.
Coming to our
2v3.
spawn.
No, that's
Oh,
me.
you laying down, bitch.
Because they stay in their spawn, yo. They're all like in their spawn. He was hiding
He's
and
laying
shit.
down over there.
Over there,
Right
bro.
there.
You heard the woman. Over there. You know where there is, right? Over there. Exactly there. Over there.
Cause he was gonna move.
Yo, chill,
Every
bro.
time that I'm driving, my sister be like, right there, right there. I'm like, left, right, straight. What do you mean? What do you mean by there?
One is on the map running around.
Oh, they're not pinging though.
Oh.
Oh, they're pinging.
Oh. Oh, I thought you saw that.
Yo, pull out your signal jammers, bro. They started with that Betty shit.
It's okay.
Yo, you gotta push, bro.
Just let them. You got
Plan
18
or
seconds.
kill.
14
Bro, why you give them the
seconds.
exact time? Tell them 10.
Oh, right there.
G. Shit. I gotta see that shit, man. Like, how the hell?
Yo, all you do is complain.
Oh, he was already pre-firing.
The only.
That's the secret sauce right there.
The only
Here
reliable.
he was already
game.
aiming and shit. I mean, firing.
Motherfucker, no, bro. 2 left. 1 left. That's it. That's it. You get. There's 5 of y'all.
Yeah, this game is rigged, bro.
Bro, you must be a boring ass nigga. You complain all day. Your lifestyle must be boring as fuck.
Listen,
Bro, all
bro.
you do is complaining, bitch, bro.
Bro,
Everybody
everybody knows that you're cheating. You got stripe pack.
Bro, go
You
take a
got stripe
shower, wake
pack.
up, go to the
Everybody
gym.
knows
So
you got stripe
positive,
pack. You
nigga, you
cheating.
nasty.
I'll ball
Stop
you
being
up
so
in
negative.
He just
basketball.
lost and he pissed off already. That's his first loss. Damn. He's been doing good, but you don't even want to hell.
Bro, freaking headshots, bro. 3v5.
Hey!
Jesus.
And
They're just all
crackers.
over.
It's okay.
Oh my god. Who's safe?
It's okay. Honcho's gonna, like, save the day, maybe. Kind of, sort of, not.
You couldn't put all you want, you snitch.
Bro, I'm gonna email Activision about this, bro. I don't play that shit today.
It's alright, bro.
I'm
It's
gonna
okay.
spend the
Do
whole
what you
day
gotta do.
writing
You
a big
sound
ass letter
nasty.
to Activision
Yo,
about
your
you.
girl probably cheats on you because you're so...
So what?
What you
Do you have a
talking
girlfriend?
about?
What?
Do you have a
What'd you say?
girlfriend?
I have a girlfriend? No.
That's what he said. You have a girlfriend. Your
I
girlfriend
have a
probably cheats
friend
on you.
that knows a friend.
Hey, how the
Fucking
fuck?
shit, bro. You can't play this shit soft, bro. You gotta push. Cause they come out like roaches everywhere. And then watch your back, mommy. No, I don't have a girlfriend.
Yo, you better find one or you dead.
Chick, but she was boring and shit, bro.
Yo, you better find one or you be dead pretty soon. Shit, what the fuck?
At work, I met someone, but she was running a bill on me, bro. Every time I went out, bro, that shit is expensive, bro.
Well,
that
change
bill
shit.
was, like, I was
Change
like,
that
fuck
motherfucker. I ain't do that
Sorry,
shit.
man.
You don't have to do that shit. Fuck that motherfucker, man. Leave that
Cause I
bitch
pay for.
alone.
What right there? Oh shit.
I know, I saw him.
No, I was looking at the Red Riding Hood. My bad. That was a dead body.
Oh, mine.
1v1.
Oh, laddie.
1v1. You don't gotta reload?
It's right there
Oh,
somewhere.
shit, the bomb is at right there. Camp that shit, but watch your right side.
Right there, right there.
in front of
12, 12, 12. Turn 5-2 on 12.
you. Good shit. Oh, shit. Bruh.
That's what's up.
We're coming back, bro. We coming back, bruh.
Yeah, we did. We're gonna come
Yo,
back.
we coming back, bro.
0 kills.
You already know how y'all play, bro. Y'all play like Yo, don't. Oh shit. we
Yeah,
gotta
coming
push,
back with 0 kills, cuz.
What we gonna do, G? Let's play that shit smart though.
I got you. Come behind me, bro.
Play that shit smart, man. Take your time, man. How many up?
Shooting at me right now.
Yo, get that signal jammer on me. They got that bouncy Betty shit. You gotta get that signal jammer. What to do? Oh shit, it's a life thing.
Another one.
Yo, what a comeback, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, you got stupid there.
Nah, this nigga talking about comeback after he's snitching and crying.
Bro, ain't nobody crying, bro. I'm happy. I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
No, right there, fuck. On our spawn right now. No, fuck. I didn't expect that.
Bro, there's two at A ducking down, bro. One behind van, the other one is in the little store. 2v3, right there, mommy. Go in there. He's in there. But you gotta hurry up. In there. And then another one too, behind that van. Oh, right there. Good shit. One left, guys. 2v1. Yo, I'm gonna wipe you up, yo. That shit's crazy. I'm falling in love, bro. I don't know why.
Yeah.
What do you
Shut
think of
your
me,
ass up, bro.
Your mother, bro. Oh shit, what a comeback, bro.
Now that guy don't want to dot no more. I don't know why. They're around. They're behind us.
Oh, fuck, bro. I slipped.
Oh shit, they're in our
1v3.
spawn. Fuck.
Man, team B right now, I think. I heard some shit. Oh, man.
Why?
Oh my god. Bro, give us a charity round, bro.
Nah, cause you gonna report that
Really
too.
charity rap, please.
Fuck you, soul. You pussy bitch.
Go make me a sandwich, bitch.
Not with those kills.
Motherfucker, bitch.
Bro, they're all in their spawn, bro. Careful, man. One of them, few of them. Over here.
Killed the one in their spawn.
There's another one over here. He was over here.
Yes.
Ooh, nice try.
Go make me a sandwich.
How you gonna piggyback off of somebody, you dumb bitch?
That was me that said that
Huh?
before, bitch. Fuck
Huh?
out of here.
How you gonna piggyback?
It's alright though. Are you
You
old
should be
enough?
making
I'll
me a
break your shit.
sandwich.
I'll break your shit. And
Make
then I'll
me
make
a
a
sandwich
sandwich.
with those
I'll
fucking
make a sandwich.
kills. Yeah,
I'll
you
make you a
stupid
sandwich.
fuck.
I'll put you to sleep
Cause you're a
afterwards,
bitch.
bitch.
Cause you're a bitch.
É. No primeiro dia eu ia. Entendi. Um dia. Chỉ tên là mơ thì nó cũng nó ta mòn nó ở chịu mình chỉ tên là nghe mình. Dạ ngàn. Escal promodio. Na Junior, invite ko. Kodi invite siya ito ko na may option next. This guy's behind.
Info.
Ne. Ne.
Rồi cháu rồi rồi.
Tell him, man.
Cháu rồi nhớ cái control với trên nó.
Come here, I'm drum all like.
Có cái control rồi cháu rồi.
Tell Karaki go.
Nó vậy rất là control.
Oh. I'm the lakosh kushat. Oh na, kami controller regulars ng mudari kami. Ano among eh. Tenchi. Eh, vamos dar spawn.
Đừng acceptor
Okay,
luôn.
kaya. Kumsat na load na ge. Paano una? Una, paano? Tangan una. That's bangan. No din peki na pieng si perchun.
Anh vui rồi.
Wala. Make it some. Sniper gang, baby. Was manda snipe. Manda si daw snipe naman.
Thì cái gì?
Yes, possessing a whale. Kuya na suka, dutog. Man, тебе салам давай. It suck. Nice. Fuck. Yes. Oh! Pissed off, bro. Pissed off or something.
Tìm ra.
Nè.
Sao mà nhiều chuyện?
Hey, come talk not way del nogum.
Ôi hả? Nó press đi.
Nè nghe way del not talk ngallo. The cash slide. Yeah, man. The cash slide practice.
Nạ rồi.
Good. Hey, got some team date match. Right? Next 7 match. Yeah, me practice. Hello, look. Me for shit, dude. Good.
Damn it, radio.
Eh?
Radio.
Hey, did for forge petro ainda. É shot não é nem falar, que fica. Nice. 360, 360 bang.
Right, right.
Alive, man.
Yeah, I'm talking. Right.
Oh, nice. See, bro, you know that. Oh, nice. Four, not a good third.
Yeah, okay, guys.
In the main course.
Just talking here.
Alright. Oh. Wala, di ka tinchi ba? Hey, shit. Oh. Oh, sheesh. Yes, kagad miss live. Second, lasig mo ako. Oh! Samtek tada ka din for man. Is! Talagtanda si Cody. Alright lang, alright lang. Yes, join us, brother. My bone will be in battle. Join us and invite somebody so we can play more. Hey, there he is. Let me just join. What's up, man? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show, my brother. Oh shit. What if you guys stand in the same area, bro? Double kill, bro. That's crazy. Oh. Nice shot. What the? Oh, that's his spot. Den Jürgen da gemietet Dingen. Yes. Oh. No! Oh wow, nice, nice, nice. What? Oh! We got the chunky. Oh, I found you. Hey! Thank you. Sorry, I didn't finish it, bro. Hey, invite them, bro. Kom med lei, man. Har du ikke noen der dagsjoen? Er du med? Ok, ok. Nå holder jeg med på. Rust. Energy. Alright, where are you guys, bro? Where? Let's spawn nila si Skelilo. Eh, sunod kayo. Thank you guys. Ih! Nagkumita na pa yung side to sides. Muele ka lan el toxic ang bidal el. Masyang ako si bangan ba yung yes! Ano niya na? Oh my god. Ben bıraktı sanma hepsi yok böyle. Yes. Oh, that's fucking hardcore, bro. Nope. Nope. Hey. Nice, 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 nice. What? Em mình tu nó kịp gì vậy? Cái ai đừng đấy. Salad. Lain pangat to sa Pepsi, pero nawuko ko. Senpai, lang nawuko. Oh, good morning. How are you? Good? Messi. Iska, what the fuck? You expect us to run to you? Oh my god, bro. I wasn't. Why the fuck I put this mask? Mickey. Some more shit. Hey, what the fuck? What the freak? They could acting fast. Calendar in the Jeep. What the? I swear, bro. You cannot pull up on me. Oh my god, bro. That guy good at that corner. Hell no. You better best believe. I ain't gonna do that. Yes, it's Amma is here. Hindi kong pangay ito, trentang alalal. Yes, tanga ki one, you wanted la. Yes. You got one more. Yes! Let's okay. I'm the that board. Nghe con. Nghe con đúng không? Mà thế bên trong tôi. You try to make a 360, bro. What the fuck? You really did that, bro. Hey, that's nice if you make it, but if you just jump and shoot... No, I think he made it. Oh, he made it! Nice. That is so extraordinary.
Phóng cái hành từ quốc kìa.
There's you. There you go. Rất hồi kìa. Có chứ vậy là nhớ cái siêu cuốn anh.
Cái spawn tiền spawn nó. Nó không nó tiền nó spawn.
I followed that spawn. Nigga spawn, bro. Alright. Sorry. Yeah, dude. Yes, the marine man on there was really good. I met you, marine. Met you, marine. Iya, kagak sayang lah, walan sakay. Hey, I guess you have a cam. Oh my god. I hate. Hey, hey, don't do that. Yes, California şaka ya. Piac again, Jen. Come to your. Why you guys on the window, bro? That's embarrassing. Yes, kaya lalien sa gabi na. Yes! Tangal siya na siya. Panos siya. Ano pala ito, bro? Oh my god, you went up again. Oh nigga, you know what's up, guys. Don't be shooting at me, nigga. Yeah. 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 Yes. This nigga know. Yes. Nigga, get the fuck down. Where gagal? Is California again to your hit the oh yeah, I'll meet on the spot. Oh, fucking Is kaya 37. Hey. Oi, lit ka so. Manyo tang ngolla. Oh, manyo tang ngolla. Bututok. Nangon gon. Eh. Pulengan. Ih. Antu ke window sila pa. Nice. Why did he leave, bro? Man, it's gonna go talk like. Walang flash na dugom. Walang lalasam sa Marty. Ilan mo ko yun din. Aksa ko ila. Mahal sola. Taliksi. Taliksi sola. Hindi aksa ko ila. Genci. Ne parles déjà avec si quelqu'un qui aime bien. Moi j'ai fait.
Tiens.
Para sa taf. Steve.
Yeah.
El mole la el tira shital na que viene que estar. No me digas son.
Ibang alaw wala na upe.
Mira igual no. Nanyan Rick Salal. Meron tayo.
Ini kan Tacl. Gente, vai pra meio aqui, ó.
Ah, kasi ba vlog ngayon? Left out. Uy. Cut. Hinto ko.
Tinong game nagigas.
Ilmegor.
Eh?
Ilmegor. Wala lang.
Ay.
Angay. Hi. And I love you. You good at school, okay? Listen to. Yeah, I'm on Miss Katin. Manila busy na ba ilan? Denchi. Denchi la el busy na pa ilan.
Yeah.
Artil, di maginek so. Yekso cringe. Tagitagat dati dalitlut crying. At hindi ka siya wash good eh. Huh? We might it. Oh shit. What the fuck? No way, bro. Don't do Wait. Wala. May wrong controller to go. Yung office na analog. Okay, wrong. There's a problem, I promise. Did she? Ah, here am I. I fucked up on that. What the hell? Hey, that's not a problem either. What? Ito naman na nagya. Love you ganun ala full. Yes.
We're living generation nga.
Man, it's just a fashion, huh? Yes. Yan yung pujabas ko, man. Yes, Lufunky, yeah. Ito na Vicky, yeah. Nice.
Generation, yeah.
Oh, bloody, vet med gumgång kami. Yes, kaka nallasyon lili route siguro. Ay. Anki på nos ranku. Det funker. Det lunia na love siya nukok.
Ay, kung ka lang team pang pakoy,
Ay, kung dalunia na ilan el.
Okay. I got you.
Mama. Fuck you. Like one more shot. What the fuck? Yep, that's what it is. Alright. Yang ayam dia na pasal lah. Dingy. Really, well, where you fool off. Up jangan there talk shit.
Simbong. Simbong. Imas ispaga del mangan. Imas ispaga com mangan.
Gee. Not dynamic. M-curve type. No. Me.
Yeah.
APS sensitivity multiplier.
Imas is type sin.
M.
Nga placa.
Avia.
Imas is.
Avia. Imas is type will default. A third assist. Archidemus is on. It's time wake up. I'll wait for you. Go what? Come over here. I'll wait for you. Let's go. What happened is on. Come on. You want daddy phone? Yeah? Get over there. I'll charge it for you. Alright, guys. Sorry guys. We're gonna change the map. Is mayan cuma payel dalana. Ya yo aja pe.
Ben.
Kidin na yan bang. Hey, you wanna eat? Where mommy? Mommy sleeping? Oh. No, wala. Hutan Gasiliel. Oh shit. Nanalanang. Yeah, let my leg. There's something wrong, bro. Oh hell no, you didn't do that shit. Do that shit. What the fuck? Hell no. Nigga, get the fuck down. Like that. Yep, you're the one I'm looking for, my brother. It's hey bro, you better shoot me or something. Oh fuck carrier. Gotta stay focused. It's oh bro. What the fuck? Why I cannot shoot? Like yeah, this nigga stop hiding, nigga. Nope. What? No. That's something wrong, bro. Vamos, go. Lala na pa kaya shoot. Tutapan mo. Get the fuck down. Hey, no way, bro. I swear I'm lagging. Get the fuck down, bro. Get the fuck down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Come back again. Come back. What? No, it's lacking, bro. You know them well. Nigga. Nigga, please. It means all that. Nigga, please. Nigga. What the fuck? Nigga, please. Nigga. Oh my god. Why stuck when I shoot, bro? What happened today? No, bro. How the fuck he shoot me like that? Yo, you think you should so big, bro. That's shame. Chill! chill the fuck out, nigga. You ain't gonna do that. Uy, kami. Waligas din siyang like. Hem karayız like kabinan the free kills a lot. No way, bro. Get. Kami what all along. Yo, bro, what you expecting? Huh? Do it on me, bro. 360 or something. Get the fuck down. Kayo kung anong lepas. Yes. You say I am mean, bro. I want a 1v1 you so bad right now. Like badly, bro. Get the fuck down. Hit. Man. Hey, why you hiding, bro? Why you hiding back here and die, bro? Get the fuck down, bro. Like, get the fuck down, bro. I've only killed young. What the fuck happened? Like, get. Hey. Go what the? Namay tinagat not the girl. Please na. Get the. Oh my god, bro. You weird as fuck. Yeah, I know you play a lot on this map. Get the fuck, nigga. Nigga was lost. Hey, Denchi, that's so nice, man. Denchi. Damn, this guy's at 50 years old. What the fuck? You some weak ass shit, nigga. Don't play me like that. Yeah, get the fuck down. Get the fuck down, bro. You ain't gonna do that. Wait, what target lang? What the hell happened? Let me assume like that. Oh, don't be rushing, bro. Don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. Nigga, don't be doing that. Nigga, don't be doing that. Hey, he tried to knife me. You cannot even do it, bro. Hey, don't do that, bro. Come here, Vong. Hey. Oi. Is kawalan. Kala Ardil rola. Young motherfucker. Oh shit. Oh no, don't let him kill you. Nigga, you play too much. You don't do that. Why you scared, bro? You ain't gonna do that. What? Tenchi? What the hell? I'm telling you. Keeps in a lot. 1v1. Let's see. Is that too easy? Tenchi. Tenchi, is too easy? Huh? And then I wish you tell eh?
Yeah.
Hey, too easy. How the fuck you join us and you don't play, bro? You stay there and call out. You're gonna get the fuck out of here. Shit too easy. Fuck out of here. You ain't gonna sit here and spectate us. I don't know what happened to my shit.
If we won.
Eh?
We won.
Messi?
We won. Gibson.
Eh?
One didn't won. Won.
Alright, saan name press box? Kung spectate.
Gibson.
What's up, man? This guy, what the hell you eat? What the hell you eat?
Bro, why you so
bro?
bad, bro? Huh? Are you on live?
Yeah, I'm on live, that's why.
Yeah, welcome to the stream.
Man. Hey, where's that phone? Okay, use it.
Hey, Freddy and them play this shit?
You know, I did play Bulky, weak ass Bulky, bro. I ain't
Do no
trying to
other
play
cousins and AF play this?
not really, but most of them is on Bulky and Fortnite. I don't really fuck with those. Alright, let's go shipment, y'all.
He's lame, bro.
Yeah, it's fucking way. Yo, I play with Freddy and my brother, and man, I just shoot this motherfucker game like 100 feet away, come straight at me and kill me, bro. Like I used 3 magazines to try kill him, bro. I swear, like he getting far away straight. He keeps zigzag, go down, bro. I swear that shit pissed me off. When he killed me, I
Wait,
just
on the phone or on the game?
on the game.
Oh,
On the
hell
console. So when that guy killed me, I just uninstall immediately that motherfucker.
nah. Oh yeah, I would too.
Yeah. I uninstall that bitch ass.
Why you don't play Black Ops 6, bro?
I never buy it yet, bro. I kinda don't fuck with it.
Hey, now I know the spawns on this map, man. I'm just letting you know, alright? So don't be freaked out. You die first, bro. Don't freak out.
Ain't not the way.
Oh, okay. Okay, you lucky, bro. I was gonna put you in the blender.
Are you sure? 1v1 is different than 1v6. Bro,
1v1 is different.
yeah, bro. Cause
Alright, let me put Daddy on, cause let me put Daddy on. Oh shit.
that's very good.
Over sneakers. Alright, ready?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm ready for whatever you got. Oh shit. Alright, I see that shot. Eh. Oh. Hey, what the fuck, bro? I shoot like. Oh hell no. Now let me wait. Eh.
Oh, you're camping.
Yeah. Eh.
Oh!
What the freak? He spawned weird. Hey.
Oh.
Hello. Ay, salan.
Hello.
Oh no way! I just spawned. Don't do that.
Oh, damn.
Don't be hide. Hey. I think I see you,
Nobody
bro.
hiding.
Nigga don't lie. Nigga don't lie.
Oh, you just shot.
Nigga don't. Oh my god. Hey son, mommy called you. You didn't hear? Like, you crazy. Why you just a little bit thinking about that? Don't be scared now.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. I'm telling you, bro. 1v1 is way different. I'm telling you, Kuht.
Ah, come on. Watch this come back.
Alright. Don't be shooting. Yes, what?
Watch this come back.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh shit.
Here comes the comeback. Here comes the comeback.
Oh shit. Come back.
Hey, fucking too early, bro. What? Look at you. Oh, yo, bro. Don't be hiding it. I swear he's peeking, bro. Oh, no. I gotta curse that shit out.
Oh, what the fuck? Spawn in the container?
Yeah, what the fuck on these, bro? I ain't got no time for that. Hey, don't be picking niggas.
Watch this.
What I'm gonna watch, bro.
Watch this. Oh, you hard scope. You hard
I'm
scope.
not.
I've seen
Watch that. Watch that.
I've seen that.
No, watch that, bro. Ain't no damn art school. Hey, what?
No.
That's a knife kill, bro. I know where you're coming, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, you do?
Alright, I see you. Oh
Oh, you
no.
do?
Hey!
Look at your hard scoping. Look at your hard scoping.
Yeah.
Ah.
No.
Know where you're at, bro. Camping.
You're right. Why you wait for me?
No!
What? Did you really see me on that Kuht side? Nigga, sleep if you wanna sleep.
Sit down. Where we going up?
Oh my god. I think 45.
That's a lot.
Who are you shooting at?
Lost me?
Nope.
Oh no.
Who lost you, bro? Why you run away from me? I know where you're going, bro.
Oh shit. I was
You
gonna
missed the shot.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Nigga.
Oh, you got lost.
Yes.
You got lost.
No, I see you crossing me, bro.
Oh, what the fuck? I missed.
Hey! Thank you very much. Come again. Oh my god.
Oh damn, bro. I just broke your camera.
Wait.
Why you AFK now? Now you're gonna turn up your sensitivity?
No. You know I gotta do something, bro. What the fuck you doing, bro? What the fuck? Nigga try to sleep on me, bro. Hey, what you waiting
Yo,
for,
what
bro?
the? Where'd you spawn?
I have no clue. Yes. He saw me coming.
What's this?
What? I'm
Oh,
sorry,
that's
I'm
a
sorry.
free kill, bro.
I'm sorry, bro. I ain't trying to get that shit. Oh my goodness. You always come on the right side, so. You just shoot. Hey. Oh my god, he saw me, bro.
I hear you, bro. Oh my god,
What? You can hear me? Oh, wait, let me
Yeah,
cut,
bro.
cut that shit off.
I
No, what the fuck? That's it, I have it. You have, what the fuck?
Uh-oh.
Ain't nobody makes me happy.
Why you just jump shooting? I'm in the ground.
Yeah, that's a challenge shot, huh?
Oh, shit. Damn, I swear I heard you from the other side. Oh no. I'm alive.
Oh my goodness.
I heard you, bro.
Yo, I have dead
Go.
silence on. How the fuck you can hear me? Hey! Don't do that. Don't do that, bro.
He said don't do that. Oh shit.
Ooh. Get her. It's the food, fuck.
Damn,
That's the
bro.
quick. Why I get the shoot though? This is what the fuck I'm talking about though, bro.
You pressing the controller too much, bro. That's why. Damn, I'm lagging, bro. What are you doing to me?
No, that's what happened, bro. It's
That's what
like
happened when what?
no, it's like that's why. Oh, hey, I'm coming straight at you and kill you right there, bro.
Oh shit.
Ah! Don't do that, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Watch this, watch
Well,
this.
let me see, let me see.
Damn.
What the fuck is this? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. What
Oh, no.
the fuck?
Yeah, you gotta quit. Quit the game, bro. Quit the game after that.
Ain't no way, bro.
You gotta quit the
Thank you,
game.
thank you.
Oh
Oh,
no,
what
I
the
almost did
hell?
it again.
No, you ain't gonna do shit again. Oh my god, that's it.
Damn, I just body slammed you, bro.
Alright, we gotta switch. I gotta go to my favorite map, bro. Let's play the two. Let's play the two. If you win the next one, that's game over.
But I executed you while you were shooting me, bro. That's it.
Man, you say it was lacking, so that doesn't even. You wanna eat ice cream? Okay, wait.
Yo.
Alright, let me put that shit on, bro. Where's Kamikaze? You'd say you just joined. That's why it's lagging. Did you try
Right.
to join?
I think you left. You don't have Black Ops 6, bro? I wanna try sniping in that.
No, I don't have that. I'm gonna buy it later on, but not now. Wait, there's a lot of
Maybe Black
people playing
Friday.
that?
Nobody's sniping, but that game is trash. Not.
Hey, what do you say about that cave? That cave is what?
Man, that game is dog shit, bro.
Then move over there. I sit there. I last and then I go make the ice cream again. Wait, one more. This last skin. And then the ice cream comes straight to you, bro. Oh shit! No way, bro. What the fuck happened to my super slime?
Where'd you go?
Man, stop playing with me, bro. Man, what the fuck? No, I was shooting good on that side. Man, stop playing.
Bro,
with
this
me.
gun 80 is so slow.
Man, chill out. And chill out.
Watch this, watch this. Boom.
Oh shit.
If I beat you with this, you gotta quit, bro.
What? Oh shit.
Yeah.
What you wanna say? What you wanna say? It's a lot, you know, what happened, bro? Again, let's shoot that big ass flag. What? Excuse me.
Hit marker.
Oh shit. Sir, sir.
Damn. Sit down. Sit down. Damn, oh my god, no.
Oh.
Why you eyes
fuck.
open?
What the fuck?
3, 2, 1. That shit went through your head, bro.
Yes, I am William Knifeman. Oh my god, you still there, bro. Don't do that. Yeah.
Oh, you hit that?
Yeah, I learned my trick, bro. Mine's just playing. Yeah, I learned my lesson, bro.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Sorry, bro.
Oh my god.
That car
not
is
alone.
too slow. That car is too slow, bro. Sorry, bro. That car is too slow. Yes, sorry.
I'm on a window once.
What? Oh, you're gonna win.
Hey, watch me. Hey, watch me.
Alright. Watch. What? Yo, how the fuck your
See
buddy
that?
go through me, man? Oh yeah? You gonna win? Oh yeah? You gonna win?
Oh my.
Oh yeah?
Why you run, bro? See me? I see you.
What the fuck, bro? Now you art scope me, nigga.
How's go?
Pull up.
Couldn't be me.
What the fuck? Now you using some stupid ass cheating code. Oh shit, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Hey, I should
You
have
like
shoot
that?
already. Oh, what you trying to kill, bro?
Huh?
Ah! What you trying to kill, nigga? Ah! Nigga!
Oh my god. Dude, hold on. There's a better.
Hold on. The fuck you talking about?
I'm out, bro. Time up. Oh.
Yo, bro.
I need a better,
What? Alright, I'll wait.
this thing ADS is too slow.
Use your freaking
Yeah, better.
SPR, bro.
Alright, I'm ready.
Are you sure? Like, real deal or what? Wait!
But you cheated, bro. That's two of them. That's two free kills.
Oh shit.
See, it's better now.
Oh yeah, I can see, bro. I'll do this. Oh! What?
See?
Yo,
It's
that
better
turn
now.
knife is fast like that, bro.
They lag. Oh, now you're lagging.
Yeah. What the fuck? Get the...
You try to hard scope me, huh?
Hell yeah, nigga. Nigga, you know damn well I'm going somewhere, bro.
Don't get on my balcony, nigga. Oh shit.
Hell you want, bro? You want rock and roll?
Oh! What the fuck? Oh, you salty ass nigga.
What happened? How the fuck it's... Yo, how the fuck that shit doesn't work? What happened, bro? What happened?
Nah, you salty. You thought you had a free one, huh?
Man, it's alright. You die. It's alright. Please don't do that. Whoa, you're lacking bad, bro. Like, what the fuck? Hey, please don't stand in
I see
the
you, buddy.
middle. I coming straight
Well,
from
how am I not
you.
hearing you now? That's you singing, bro. That's why.
Yeah, that's a trick. Please don't do that.
Oh my god.
What the fuck, bro? That's
Ooh.
lag, bro.
That's crazy.
Oh,
Ooh.
no. Let me see again if you're gonna shoot me. Ace!
Ooh.
Oh, no, I ain't gonna run over there no more. Fuck that. Oh, nigga, it's just art scoping, bro. That's why.
Ooh. Nah, I
swear to
wasn't
God.
hard
No,
scoping.
no, nigga, I saw that. You know damn well you art scoping. Ace!
Ooh. Nah, bro. Look at you. Talking about I'm hard scoping.
Nigga, you do that, that's why I do it. What? Look, nigga, you art scoping like hard.
Hold that.
Nigga.
Hold that.
Man, what are you trying to run for, bro? Just shoot. Don't be scared, bro.
Just shoot? Alright, watch. Sit down.
Hell no. Now he's spearing me, nigga. Nigga, stop hiding.
Oh, what's that? That wasn't a hard scope. You see me? Well,
Nigga,
now you
what's
wanna be
up,
sneaky
Ida?
and shit.
Hell yeah, sneaky hickey.
Where you at?
I don't know, bro.
I'm in
just
my balcony, bro.
unconscious.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm unconscious. I'm unconscious, bro. I'm unconscious!
No more, nigga. No more.
What the
I
fuck?
told you no more.
Nigga, don't do that!
Oh, you horoscope, bro. I seen that shit.
Hell no, bro. You're the one who hard scope, nigga. Eh! Oh yeah? You wanna do that to me?
Why you gotta reload, bro?
Yeah!
What's the key? Come back. What's this? I know where you come from.
This
Too
nigga
predictable.
hiding. Yo, he hiding in the back, bro. Yo, come
Bro,
on.
why you horoscoping me?
Why you hard scope me too, bro? This nigga ready to hard scope. Nigga.
Hold that.
Hey. How the fuck the knife is so fast? Hey. Hey. You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Dude, I hit that, bro. That's crazy. I know. Oh, where'd you go?
Yeah,
Hold that.
yeah. I swear, you better keep hiding, bro. If he comes to life, nigga, what you
Dude,
hiding
no
back
way I
there?
choked that shot, bro. Damn.
Hey, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you.
Look at that horoscope.
Oh,
Oh,
that
no.
one is no hard scope. Man, the water this.
Bro, where your friends go? But tell them come back. I'll take it easy. Bro,
No, they always leave at this time. They always leave at this time because they play it last night till the morning.
so they're sleeping.
So they're sleeping. They're like early in the morning now. Maybe like 5 or 4 in the morning. Or 6.
Yeah.
Because we're 9 right now, so they're 6.
Yeah.
I think we're too fast.
Bro, I'm
We
gonna
don't
go.
wanna play.
Huh?
I think we're
I'm
too
gonna go play
fast.
some. Yeah, those guys are. I don't know, man. They need to fix their settings or
Yeah, me
something,
and
bro.
you just fucking like sick the shit out of them, bro. Yeah, if I am one of them, I'd probably just leave the lobby. Cause ain't no more fun, like you keep dying. Hey, let's go play researching. Alright, yo, join my party chat. I have a party already open.
Oh wait, bro. How do you gotta invite me?
No, it's on the party chat. Just go to the party chat setting and you find my name already.
Nah, bro. That's only mine.
Hmm?
And only mine is open.
Oh, you have one?
Yeah, you gotta invite me.
Oh, what's your name on PS?
I'm gonna go play some
Multi.
Black Ops 6, man. I need to level up.
Alright. Fuck it.
Yeah, bye.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, nice playing with you, my man.
I'm about GG.
Alright, GG.